We'll guide you through how to keep thinking like Claude. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI homepage. Once you're there, sign in with your account credentials if you're not already logged in. You'll want to start by getting familiar with the interface, so take a moment to explore the tools and options available. Next, to think like Claude, you need to focus on understanding and predicting user intent. Start by looking at the data analysis tools available on the platform. These tools will help you gain insights into user behavior and preferences, which is crucial for anticipating their needs. Then, make sure to leverage Claude's advanced analytics features. These features will allow you to analyze complex datasets and identify patterns that might not be immediately obvious. Once you have the data, you can start developing strategies based on these insights. One key aspect of Claude's thinking process is its ability to adapt and learn continuously. So, make sure you're regularly updating your strategies based on new data and feedback. Also, take advantage of Claude's collaborative features. Engage with other users or team members to share insights and get different perspectives. This can greatly enhance your ability to think like Claude by broadening your understanding of various scenarios and solutions. Finally, remember to test your strategies. Use Claude's simulation tools to run scenarios and see how your strategies perform. This practice allows you to refine your approaches and ensure they're effective. By consistently applying these methods, you'll develop a mindset aligned with Claude's analytical and adaptive thinking process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.